What's up, guys? This is Skywarp doing a video. Well, I have something to show, and I'm back. So I'm gonna be making more videos, And I got a haircut, as you can tell. I look really good. I know, doesn't look like I took good care of it, but well, I have something to show. Turn up the brightness a little bit, so I can show you. I have the Leatherman Surge. Yep, I do. Or actually, I got a lot of new stuff past couple of weeks, so yeah, I have not shown it at all. So yeah, probably gonna show them off later on. Um, yeah. So, and then tomorrow's Friday, so I may bring my computer tomorrow. May not. But it's got okay. So this Surge, he has scissors. New to me. It's got a big old knife on it. Look at that thing. Woo! See, here's the saw. You can actually take it off, make it to a file, and then you got a rescue. Well, not that one, but you got a rescue cutter, and you have the big old plier heads that I've ever seen in my life. And I did use them a few days. I mean, it's still brand new, so what you got in this tool is you got those tools right there. It's just the same as the weight, basically. So, and there's problems with mine. I don't know if y'all have it, but mine sticks every time I use something. Watch. See, and look at that. See? I had to do that the whole time. And let me get the sheet. Show you what it looks like on the sheet. And I bought, this is a little added bonus. So, alright, so here's the sheath comes with in the sheath. And there's a little bonus I'm going to show you here in a minute that I'm going to add to it, and I'm going to use it. See, I told you it has files. I used the file already. It's a good file. I pretty much used it up. Not like technically like used it like completely, but here's the flashlight. I got a new Maglite Solitaire. I wasn't really wanting to get the new one, a newer version. But yeah, this is the newest version that ever came out, and I'm gonna put it on here. So every day I'm probably going to stick it right there, so that has a little lantern. I can just take it out whenever. But yeah, and I'm gonna put another light right there or something. I don't know. But yes, I have the Surge. I like it. So I'll see you guys later.